Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. The system for example 2 is a spring mass damper system where an external force is applied on the mass causing the mass to displace by x. Let's consider the input and the output of the system is force and displacement. So now let's do the free body diagram analysis. We draw the mass and the external force is pulling the mass. The mass has x displacement due to the force. The mass is also attached to a spring and a damper. To determine the direction of spring force, we need to determine whether the spring is in tension or compression. If the spring is in tension, it will pull in. And if the spring is in compression, then it will push out. So in this problem, the spring is in tension. Therefore, it will pull back the mass. As for the damper, it will always oppose the displacement of the mass. Now, let's write the governing equations. For mass, it is based on FBD. Therefore, Fa minus Fs minus Fd equal to md square x. Then the equation for the spring is Fx equal to Kx. And for the damper, force of damper equal to CdX. So these are the three governing equations for the three elements in the system. Now we can draw the block diagram. So we start from the output. From equation 1, we rewrite the equation. Since the operation in this equation is multiplication, the diagram is a block with one input and one output. Then we will solve for this part. Here we can see the operation is subtraction with three variables. So we draw a summation point with three input arrows. So here we'll represent Fa minus Fs minus Fd. Then for Fs, we will using equation 2. X multiplied with K will give us Fx. Same for F damper. X multiplied with CD will give us FD. So this is the block diagram for a spring mass damper system with the input is Fa and the output is X.